Hello friends, this is an ATS panel with ATS card having two magnetic contactors of 80 ampere and a circuit breaker of 100 ampere, 3-pole circuit breaker and two magnetic contactors. This is the ATS card which will control this whole ATS panel. The first 4 wires of this ATS card are used for the input of 220 volt. The number 1 is 220 volt from main, next 2 are neutrals, and number 4 is for generator 220. These two are magnetic contactors supply, 220 volts for magnetic contactors. Number 1 for main contactor and number 2 for generator contactor. These are the relays which will control our ATS card magnetic contactors, relays. These 4 points are for 2 for battery positive and negative, and next 2 are for fuel and cell off. As you can see, the supply from these 4 wires is brought here after passing through the relays. We are testing it on a single phase generator. These are 3 generator lights and these 3 are Wabda lights, 3 phase lights. These are also 3 phase. These lights will show us red, yellow and blue phase availability. Now we are going to see the generator. This generator is testing this ATS panel. This generator is giving us 216 volts. One supply is coming from generator, the second supply is coming from main. That is Hyundai generator, a very reliable and a good generator. Single phase, 3.5 kVA petrol generator. Here you can see the voltage. This meter also shows us voltage, frequency and the time the generator, the hour meter, timer of hour meter is in this panel.